Monal. Today we are going to discuss about the hydroxy compound. What is hydroxy compound? Here OH functional group is called OH functional group is called hydroxy. Here any hydrocarbon hydroxy group having hydrocarbons are called hydroxy compounds. Here OH functional group is called hydroxy groups, and the hydrocarbon which is having OH group is called hydroxy compounds. For example, ROH or here any alkyl or aryl. The general molecular formula of hydroxy compounds are like this, and the molecular formula of hydroxy compounds are CnH2n plus 2O. The molecular formula of hydroxy compounds are CnH2n plus 2O. Here n equal to 1, then we get CH4 CH4O, that is can be written as CH3OH methanol or ethanol. Now we will see the various types of hydroxy compounds. Here these are the hydroxy compounds. The hydrocarbons which contain hydroxy groups are called hydroxy compounds, or the hydrocarbons. The hydroxy compound is a compounds. One hydrogen is replaced by hydroxy groups, then those compounds are called hydroxy compounds. Here these are mainly two types, alkyl and aryl. Alkyl and aryls, or alcohol and phenols. Here the aliphatic chain attached hydroxy groups are called alcohols, and the aryl group attached hydroxy compounds are called phenols. Okay. Now we will see the types of hydroxy compounds. Here the hydroxy compounds are broadly classified into three types. Primary, secondary and tertiary. We will see examples of primary, secondary, tertiary. Alcohols are hydroxy compounds are two types. Hydroxy compounds are two types. Yep. Alkyl hydroxy compounds and aryl hydroxy compounds. Alkyl is called alcohol and aryl is called phenol. Again, alcohol is again classified into three types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol tertiary alcohol. Here the alcohol are again categorized into three types. The first one is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. The example for the primary alcohol is CH3OH or CH3CH2OH, and the example for the secondary alcohol is CH3CHOH CH3, or this is the example for the tertiary alcohol is like this. Here these are the example for the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Now we will see that primary alcohol. What is primary alcohol? Primary alcohol. Here the hydroxy group, hydroxy functional group attached carbon, again further bonded with only one carbon, then we say those alcohols are called primary alcohol. Here for example CH3 CH2OH. Here hydroxy group attached carbon further bonded only one carbon. This carbon atom attached only this carbon. That's what we say here. The hydroxy group attached carbon is further attached only one carbon. Then only we say those molecules are called, or those compounds are called primary alcohol. So here this carbon is attached only one carbon. That's what we say this alcohol is called primary alcohol. We see secondary alcohol. Here secondary means two. Here this carbon attached another carbon, and here another carbon, and now OH. Here H this. Here in earlier definition what we discussed, the carbon attached hydroxy compound attached carbon is further attached only one carbon, then only we say those alcohols are called primary alcohols. Here the hydroxy attached carbon is further bonded with only two carbon, then only we say those alcohols are called secondary alcohol. Coming to the tertiary alcohol. Here the hydroxy group attached carbon further bonded with three other carbon, then we say those alcohols are called tertiary alcohol. See here this hydroxy group attached carbon is bonded with three other carbon, 1, 2, 3, then we say these are called tertiary alcohol. We can write primary, secondary, tertiary like this also. Primary alcohol means primary alcohol. Secondary means secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohol, and tertiary means tertiary alcohol. Here we discuss about the alkyl alcohol, aliphatic alcohols and aryl alcohols separately. Now I will discuss the preparation of alcohol. Now we discuss the preparation of alcohols. In this, the first method is hydration of alkenes. In this, The first method is hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkene. Hydration of alkenes. Hydration means addition of water molecule is called hydration. Addition of H plus and OH minus to the alkene is called hydration. Here, alkene, unsymmetrical alkene, when we react with water in the presence of acidic medium to give CH3, CH, this alkene, when you react with this alkene with water in the presence of acidic medium to give secondary alcohol. Here this is a secondary alcohol. If we react same alkene with diborane in the presence of peroxide, primary alcohol is obtained. Primary alcohol is obtained. Here this is the secondary alcohol. Here primary alcohol, isn't it? Here now we are discussing about the preparation of alcohols. In that the first method is the hydration of alkene. Here in the hydration of alkenes, here the unsymmetrical alkene when we react with water in the presence of acidic medium to give secondary alcohols. The same alkene when we react with the diborane in the presence of peroxide effect to give primary alcohol. This is the first method for the preparation of alkenes, alcohols. Now coming to the second one, that is hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. Here we already know that the general form of alkyl halide is like this. So when we react this alcohol in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide to give alcohol. So this is the general reaction of preparation of alcohol from the alkyl halides. Here this alkyl halide when you react, instead of R if you write ethyl chloride with aqueous NaOH to give CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH. So you can write another reaction also here, CH3 CH2 CH2 Br in the presence of base, or here the alkyl bromide when you react with sodium hydroxide is aqueous sodium hydroxide to give alcohol. This is the preparation from hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Now coming to the third method, that is hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of ester. Here the RCOOR-J ester. Here when we react, when we subjected this hydrolysis, this ester, the hydrolysis now the third one is the hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis of ester. Ester on hydrolysis to give one molecule alcohol and another molecule acid. Here This is the hydrolysis of ester general formula, general reaction. Here ester and hydrolysis to gives alcohol and carboxylic acid. Alcohol and carboxylic acid. Here when we see the example of hydrolysis of ester is CH3 CO O C2H5 H plus or OH minus to give CH3 CH2OH plus CH3 COOH ethanol and acetic acid. So this is the preparation of alcohol from the hydrolysis of ester. Now coming to the another method, that is also reduction of alkyls method, that is reduction of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and esters. Reduction of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid and esters. Now we will see one example for each. Reduction of aldehydes. Here the aldehyde, when you react with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydrate to gives CH2OH. This is a general reaction. Here the aldehyde when react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydrate to gives primary alcohol. Here instead of R, if we write R equal to CH3, then we get CH3 CH2OH. Here if we write R equal to CH3 CH2, then we get CH3 CH2OH. This is from the aldehydes. Now we will see ketones. Preparation of alcohol from ketone. Here RCOR dash. When you react this ketone with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydrate, gives secondary alcohol. Here aldehyde on reduction to gives only primary alcohol. Here the ketone on reduction to gives only secondary alcohols. Here for example CH3 CO CH3, this ketone acetone when we react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydrate to gives isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. Here carboxylic acid. Here the carboxylic acid when we react with sodium aluminum tetrahydride to gives primary alcohol. Here same aldehyde CH3 COOH when you react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride to give CH3 CH2OH. Here once again I am repeating. Here the alcohol is prepared by reduction of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and esters. Now, the reduction of aldehydes. Here, aldehydes when we react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydride to gives alcohol. See here the reduction of aldehydes. Here RCOH. Here this is aldehyde when you react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydride to gives primary alcohol. These are the example for the preparation of alcohol from the aldehydes. Now from ketones. Here the ketone when we react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride or sodium borohydride to give secondary alcohol. If we used aldehyde, then we get primary alcohol. If we use ketone, then we get secondary alcohol. Here, from the carboxylic acid, here the carboxylic when you react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride to gives primary alcohol. Here, the carboxylic acid when you react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride to gives ethanol. Now, from the ester, we'll see ester RCOOET. When you react this ester with lithium aluminum tetrahydride, it gives 2 molecules of alcohol. Here on hydrolysis, on reduction of ester, here the ester when you react with lithium aluminum tetrahydride to gives 2 molecules of alcohols. One is CH2ETOH. Now, for example, CH3COOET gives rise lithium aluminum tetrahydride gives CH3CH2OH plus ETOH. Here then another reaction we will see CH3COOET. Here ethyl ester when you react with sodium in the presence of ethanol to gives alcohol. Yes, ethanol. So this reaction is also called as Bouvelt-Blanc reduction. Bouvelt-Blanc reduction. Okay, we will continue the tomorrow class.